Yeah. Good day to you. I said good day to you, my people. Good day to you. Big up my people. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Wow, it's raining. It's a blessing day. Rain, 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 rain. It's a blessing day. Yeah, man, give thanks and praise unto you, my people, the Most High, the Almighty One. Father God, God, and protect all of you. See me? Yeah, man. And don't know. Every time going to health and strength and always making a food basket, having food like that, you can always feel healthy. Seeing that and have the potential and the mind and the can really decide to help others people in life. It's what I do, yeah, man. Why they're out there now, people, so I don't know. Yeah, man. I hope all is well and all is good. Why what a thing with me? Assassination after Donald Trump, like my God, wow. I'm saying get glazed, miss it by his skin and teeth. What a lucky man. Lala kasit kalama kalama kasapa. Cha cha. Yeah, man, lucky bad man. Lucky bad, 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 bad. Yeah, man. If you know, say, attempt at him life, and boy, the attempt that was really close. Trust me, piece of ears, gears. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, that is America. That is America, as we all know the people. Out of show, I think I show brain like. I like out of show, now show pretty at all. But that's my people, that is America. Mm. America, the land, the land of opportunity and the land of die quick. Trust me. Yeah, man. The land, if you go there and you mean yourself good in our life, success, you have it. And the land that, why, oh boy, if you miss, you slip. And if you slide, you must drop. You copy that, yeah, man. Mm. So, they make the attempt. I'm just feel say, I due to all the sentence in there. Yeah. The sentence when get sentence with people. And them put a hold on the sentence. And put a hold on the sentence. Boy. Jaja. A lot of people go crazy about it. I know Americans there, they all crazy. So things like them that them really kick up because fairness is fairness to everybody. See what I did? And I say again, my people, bless up to you, all my viewers, all who join the live so far. Big up yourself. So far, we have two people. People that's joined the live, you can say hi and howdy, and let me know where you're watching from. Yeah, come on. So it's a pleasure to have you on the live. Yes, my people. So as I said, you can just let you know where you're watching from. Yeah, my people. So well, that is it so far. Yeah. I don't want to show some people. Have a little talk, have a little argument. I have to really talk about the argument because trust me, we really have to talk about this because it's something we really bother in my mind and we have to really talk and probably you, my viewers and subscribers, can really let me know the best move. Understand my people, yeah. The people, it is this. People, it is this. The whole situation is this, my people. It's a couple about 2 weeks ago. Something I call it 2 weeks ago. Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. Yeah. No. January, February, March, April, not April. Come to me that when I was at home. But yeah, they live in you have like for instance, My lady when me live when me not there. My lady when me not there. She, for instance, a boy, she have a girl that she raised. That girl, the monks off and she have five. See? And that girl father dead, in which case the father of that girl and my woman be dead. See? Alright, that was, you know, not again. Yeah. So she raised that girl till that girl becomes big because the mother run left far and gone a foreign. The mother run and gone a foreign. None of them. See the people? And people, and I tell them say it happened to be that in already gone January, February, March, April. In April, a little coincidence happened that you have to be that she have a little daughter of five. A little daughter from a little daughter wake up a morning time, she not go nowhere but in our house. See, and me and my lady there. See? So and when she come there morning time, she not come out. Once she not go to school, sometimes she don't even want to go to school, she just want the monks with. She don't have she not say go to school or have to look after her in there. One have to bathe her or have to get her something and you know better go on to school. See? And tell her say look over here come look for her at school and then you see? She just love our company. Love the monks us, alright? Cause we make sure we look after her, go to feed her and you know, we don't beat her, we try to learn her and teach her the right thing at all time. As a little girl who I grew up and me love her. I not tell her lie, me love her. See? I know me still love her. Cause I not go run the car. I not hate her. See? And it happened to be that on that specific day when we are talk about little girl they come to the house. But it's like my lady never that go no farmer work. My lady never go to work. So my lady now there, but they lie down like she say boy she take a rest. But she little girl there no one there. Grandma, more let's go. No, I saw she stay cause anything she asks her, she get it. See? So it happened to be that my lady say, yeah, go on. Your mother call you and she have something where she give you. Go and feed and come back. You say, Mama call me? Mother call me? And she say, yeah man, go and to your mother for something and come back. See? That my lady lie down on the bed. Me sit on outside the next room and settee. As usual, I'm there on my pandangles and my baby. See? That's she say, all right, mom, me soon come, yeah? That's just a bum and go through the door now and go around. So when my lady say, my lady tell her that she go on, that she can lock the door, that she can lock her out, that she can go lie down and relax. So was a bum and send her out and go. The bum and run out and gone out now and she say, bro, lock the door there for me now. And I say, lock the door. She say, yeah man, lock the door for me. Cause I can't take her now from this time. I want to lie down and take a rest. Cause I forgot to work 1 o'clock. You see? It's alright, I'm gonna get up and lock the door for you. So by the time I lock the door, not even 10 seconds good. Probably more than 10 seconds, probably 20 seconds. But I say, not even 20 seconds good. Yeah, come boom, 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 on the door, boom, 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 boom. Grandma, Juna. She that told you a ball and a call out. See? That's, and they say, don't walk me to know. That can't take the noise I know, I'm she going with her mother. Say, alright, if I say don't walk me, I'm not going to walk me. Anyway, they sit down and she out there, a ball, because so she stay. Once, you know what we do, she have a ball and make up her nice, like, you know? And more time, I don't really ball, she a ball. And some fast pretend, but So she know say once I lady hear she a ball, she go what me do and no, me she come in. So she did a ball. When my lady say, what she now what me do? She try to take a rest. So anyway, there, me did they see me on TV, but me not turn it up still, me did easy and relax. Sit down. That's ball tell me no hear no more. Let me hear now like somebody start a cuss now yeah I say, oh boy, lock up the road and pick the fields and me and me and cuss and be styling and them not too tired the words them to you know. Be styling and blah 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 blah. I'm sitting on my list and I say, who that? A woman talk, you know? So remember we and styling and we. So I say, who the man that talk? So I catch a voice and realize the little girl, uncle. See? You know, see the back boy, the big boy, lock the door, you know, it look in my knees face and go take. So anyway, I get up now and what me do and look out. You see me? Cause sure we know say we never lock the door, you know put in the face. She run down run her house, run her mother and the door lock her. She come back and come to the door. We don't lock the door, never put in the face. So then, but anyway, what they are custom what they do and what me I say, what go on bro? We will come talk about what no go on son your mother and you your money boy and you will go on and you take. I say where that far? Where that far? What you mean by where that far? What you mean by where that far? I'm lock down on my knees face and blah blah. I say no my youth. When I lock the door on my knees face my youth. See, hey boy, you chat up about you lock the door on my knees face. I bust up the face with something and run go now and my run go for you know. Run say my boy, my run go for something and come back now and so I say my youth, where that far? Seeing some step out and step down on my step now and I said, where that for my youth? And bam now come back na that long piece of board. But the long piece of board when come with now, you must either push it through the gate come in and can't come so. See? But push it in. See? So I said, bam now. And then they stand up on the step now. And then they stand up and pushing the board and I come in and I'm going to say, bam, I'm going to say, man, where that far? Where you coming and you with board for? You see? And I push the gate now if you lock it now. You know? That your sister coming on same time now. Be argument and cussing and blah 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 blah. We don't know why we're going to follow blah 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 blah. So I say, yo, nobody now war with the brother. Your brother go on excessive and go on and real like as if say him come with that intention for war with somebody else, him hate somebody else something, but you know, to me don't know all the things said say boy, me not really push the issue, but just easy myself and I say boy, when I say wrong because nobody never lock the door, none of it in the face. See what I mean? So anyway, bam now we there now and I telling the people escalate it and bam and back knife and escalate it and sister now and find back knife now and like him want move towards me now me I was a bam for push him now and him take a stock. The sister wish is a pregnant girl at the moment. See? At the moment. See? She's a pregnant girl. God, as I said, she was something like 6 months pregnant at that time. We don't know. God, may not be a father, I don't really know. See? Bam, go on and hold on for me, see like the brother have the opportunity now if you come hurt me, because she come and hold on upon me as a pregnant woman. She don't hold on brother and me talk cool on her brother and say, go on out. Kind of live in the yard, so go on. See him? Go on in your yard. You're not supposed to come like people in the yard, come and make argument with people living in the yard. So come out and go on. Is ready? No, instead of she go hold on, me, the pregnant woman come and hold on pan. And her brother now, all obsessed now, if he can't take the board now and do all thing and him have a knife again and none of me could read it. So when me see that now, me kind of get look timid now and I say, what is now? Can she come as a breathing safe, come and hold on upon me? Me can't push her down, cause me no want she to drop and lick her back and go lose the baby or what's up you. So it's like we don't know if you don't know, and this better you know. I move in. So the quickest thing that me could have done is use my fist and go say bam and push her off. You see me? Ease her off for me. And she go bam and go back and jack back from my lady grandson door right there so. You see? Room door there right there so. So at the time no one do that no one I tell my people it's like me get for maneuver the boy and him rush out of the yard and that fish our brother. See? Rush out of the yard and me when me a maneuver him, she get up back, see, and take two brick and lick me on my side. See, that is when I look up and after, I say, no, I be a man, I can't, and I say, my God, low me alone and go on the reason. When I want to put me in a trouble, you come now, I lick me stone for. You see what I did? Anyway, people come down and, you know, them say, blah, 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 everybody has say, boy, if you done and blah, blah, wait for and wait. I will talk and thing that. The sister now was about to take up her phone and call police. Call the police. Bam, we had like about 5 to 10 minutes. Bam, police come. So me never run car, me no really do me no wrong, me no do nothing. The only thing me can say me do is the car put me on panel. You see? Alright. In which case she used stone and put her and assault me. See? So anyway, the police them come and them ask her what go on and she has tell the man, say, see the man there. Come there and oh sit down and police them come and say, come here big man, and I go to them and I say, what go on and I tell them and I say, boy, all right, you go and she a press charge for me. Say, well, no problem. See him? Say no problem. But I press back charge because she lick me with stone. See him? And say, okay, come to. I'm the man say no press charge, lick me with stone. So come. See him? So two away and the police them go up at the station. When they go up at the station, police them are kind of convinced her and I say, boy, you hear me? You know, live in the same yard, not done it and, forgot it and nobody push it and forgot the argument and blah, 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 blah. The police them are trying to convince her and tell her to load the argument and it's done. But you forgive each other and blah, 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 blah. But she decides, boy, she don't like me, she hate me, and I don't know for what reason, I don't know, because I never do her nothing yet. And basically, I don't know, but you me know, when you see people and you see them reaction towards you or they move towards you, you don't need to talk to them because you don't see all them a move already. See? So when she say she don't like me, it's like me don't see that long time. It's never strange to me because me don't see that. And for true me see that no me never really push up in her. You see me? Me never push up in her and try to talk to her or no farmer dealings whatsoever. I just know say boy I don't mean that that's so. You see my people. So as me I say my people go on a way that organization and police have try convince us, me and say, boy, I've done it and wait it don't make sense. We not talk about not go to court and wait them and send no go counseling for the no, do counseling and blah 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 what's up you. Anyway, she said she a go to court. Anyway, I say all right, charge the two of us and say if we do whatsoever necessary, get the particulars, papers and so forth and bring them in. See? Anyway, in that present there, we not forsake our daughter. Daughter come there every God Almighty day from the same day we come out of the station and come down and come home back. The daughter in our house. And we have to give her tea, we have to give her juice to drink if she want water, if she want toilet paper for wipe her bottom, she go to toilet, if she want beard, if she want toothbrush, she brush her teeth, if she want no everything. and we have to look after it pertaining towards our daughter. You see, she not have time for the little girl, not even school. She no want send the little girl cause from the argument between you and our go bed and from that day, little girl never go to school a morning there. And from that day, right back, little girl no go to school. You see me? For about 2 weeks straight. You gonna go about 2 to 3 weeks before you go to school. The day upon the record, stop from school all long. See that me I tell my woman I say boy, it's sad. If you don't say she have blighted the little girl future by not sending her go to school. Anyway, it happened that happened April. Happened to be that May, June is court. June is court, my people, June. So my people, we go to court. When we go to court, the jump up and they say, boy, she wants $60,000. Them say, okay, and them write it down. So them ask me, now them turn to me and say, the lady said she want $60,000. What I have to say about it? And turn to them and say, well, no problem. We give it to her. So them ask me now, how much me want? And I turned to them and I said, we really not take the money from her now. We really not take the money from her because probably she really need it. That's why she asked for it. So we not take the money from her. Anyway, it happened to be that that was June. So we make an arrangement in the court say the August she will start get the first payment. So the first payment will be not August, July. She will start get the first payment. So the first payment will be July, the second payment will be August, and the last payment will be September. Well, I there more than we come one day, we go up on the road. Come up on the road, ups and downs. I don't know if I run up and down. Come up on the road, I do my little thing, cause I do my thing. So I'm go up on the road, I'm coming back one evening, I'm coming back from evening. My woman tell me say she the hospital. So she go hospital. See? So by the next day I believe it was the next day, them say she come on back. See me? Alright, she did it. But I'm gone again, I'm gone on the road and another week now, I'm coming back. They say she gone hospital again and this time she admit in a hospital. So I said, what? So what kind of serious thing that to the point where she admit in the hospital? Yeah. Next day, my woman tell me say why they were send fan and so no, like gear and so forth to keep her in hospital. About one day after that, my woman tell me say the doctor them call her. So I say, the doctor get your number for call her. Say boy, she give doctor her number and say she's the only guidance she have. Because her mother they are foreign and her father dead. But due time and time there another time with the argument and so forth, she tell her my woman, so let me say, she tell her my woman say boy, she soon dead because she old and she hide her age and blah blah. One good argument chasing between the two of them. See? So she tell my woman say she soon dead and she old and she soon dead and blah blah blah. Anyway, we reached back in our state where she said she admitted in hospital and the hospital. About a day after, or the next day, or 2 days, either one day after or 2 days, I believe. I don't remember. After 3 days, she's in the hospital or 4 days. The news reached me. You know, so she dead. I was so shocked and surprised. When I hear them tell me, say, the girl dead. And I say, what caused her for dead? One poor, why she dead? What kind of sickness she have? See? And boy, I be an argument. I say, boy, she have sickle cell and blah, 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 blah. And I said, John, no, if she have sickle cell, she not supposed to have no more baby then. And, you know, my heart goes out for her. And I say, boy, condolence. So I look at baby and where's her family. And understand me? Because trust me, if a person if just young and lose them life, them really is like, no, you know, really living a life yet. And not because me and she me have a little fiction and we go a court and she said she wants 6,000. That don't say me feel pleased about. Yes, she dead. No. Mm. It was a very sad, sad, sad moment for me. See? Sad moment, me I tell my people. Very sad moment. But anyway, once a brand now and once a brand now people and say, alright, the evening run off, night, wake up the next day, turn to my woman and say, where your daughter there? Because when I say her daughter, she say, I just sleep around some say, all right, here though. But find out about the little girl and bring her come, take her and bring her come because we can't allow her up on road for people to have her and they must take good care of her. You have to have somebody who will take care of her. And if you are take care of her, the person must be her grandmother. See? Anyway, she say, all right, she'll go for her. She go for the little girl. She go feel good and carry the girl, run come and hug me. Say, Jonah, Uncle Jonah, wag Uncle Jonah, Uncle Jonah. And say, Uncle Jonah, them tell me say my mother dead, you know. And true, I'm tell you say my eye full of water, there's a God you never know. Little girl, look for me and say, Uncle Jonah, run out the yard, them tell me say my mother dead. Me, I plan, I tell my woman say, do not tell her nothing about her mother dead. See? Just worry from her because I don't know she can be buried done. And when little girl come and look at me and tell me, say them tell her say her mother dead and she just, you know, it's like God know, we just different world completely. I tell you, different world completely. See, and I say, I hear me, V. See this little girl there, you have to keep her, take care of her, send her to go to school. Grow her like how you grow her mother. See me? Grow her like how you grow her mother. See? And if her father want her and come here, no problem. You see? Send him go give father. I for granny from foreign. Come down and want bring her up. Best she go on. That's a good opportunity for her. See? And if her father want send her go up her mother and live uptown with the mother. Don't stop it, Betty. Go on. See? She say, yeah. Anyway, we did it till the night and me the cut, I believe. Me the cut out. Me go up on the road. Coming back at the night. Yeah. So when I come back at the night, she said, my woman gonna tell me, say, our granny come here. Well, that's the next day, no, night, the next day, yeah, the next day. Yes. The next day, yes, but she's right, yeah. Our granny come here. I say, well, that is good. See? That's very good. Well, the other day now, after the work, the other day now, we did sit down and then sit down and now they all sit down now and then I say, all right, why? So and so and so now I talk to him and when we look, a virgin and I say just come in and push the gate and come in the yard and just come up and step and just come in the house. Come straight in the house and come stand up in front of me. And I say, wait, what is? But to all me sit down now in the settee and asak they in front of me. I made I cut up some greens. See? So you know say me have that particular articles that you use and cut up the greens. Me have it right in front of me. This is in. Alright. So when him come in, me never really get bummed. Me sit down and me I look at me and say, what is man? Who you know man? So him say, like him say, who you grow me, you know? And blah, oh my cousin dead and somebody that listen. Oh my cousin dead and blah, kill my cousin and blah, and you know come say nothing to me about my cousin and blah, and all kind of talk. And I say, wait, what go on so now? See? What kind of talk them here? See me? I'm whole for talking and boy, who we tell me I feel good about my cousin was dead and whosoever bet my cousin dead and the responsible feet and but man I'm gone now, see? So if I come out and gone, I'm turning around and say, who him? Come and tell them here they and just step up in the house and come right in the house. Say boy, she going. See? And blah. Was one of the youth that shot tell me about so she grew and blah. Yeah, what bad when somebody say, yo, so I'm just step up my house and come to the house. So no man, him good man, him alright man. Him good, him alright man. Him not doing no violence towards him man. Everything good man. You see him? I make growing man. Him just come and make a speech and say, well, I say, boy, you hear me? I really like that speech. Him I make still, you know. You see him? Anyway, that was it. Go to bed the night, sleep, wake up. Next day, we go to town and the other day, me never did them up on the road. I believe a 2 day, me cut out, go up on the road. Mom, as me come in back the next day now, I believe that Thursday, as me reach in back, as me reach in back, I believe me go at Negril. So, I believe me go Negril, I done a center, one place me go. I done a Manchester, I believe. But as me reach in back and then at the house and then not even 20 minutes good, and not even half an hour good, we say. Not even half an hour good. Here comes the hombre again, push the gate. But this time, I step up and come in, stand up outside and call out. And the door open. So she come out and say, who that guy? She just come out of the bathroom. So, bam, and go out the road now, to them out the road and talk. So, like me, sit down there, me, I say, what do you really come call out talk about? So, I say, get up and go, no, go to the gate and listen. But say, me go to the gate and listen now, I don't really pull the gate and go out there. I stand up back at the gate. Nobody not see somebody at the back of the gate. So they listen to them talk and hear them talk and hear him up on his voice. I was talk and who man do my cousin things and who you hide it from me and who should know stuff, you know, go and blah. And, you know, let me say wait. Them talk and go on. Me hurt, me do cousin things. See? Anyway, they tell me say one of our grandson step out of the and come out and brush him teeth. So me look upon him and me tell him say, the granny out the door with one youth and show him attack. See? So them go so Bama go to the gate and look out and hear the argument and the gate stand up and listen. And then come in back and realize what them attack about say and the girl were dead. See? And you know the youth. So him come in back now and finish brushing teeth and step back out there. So them step back out there now, my people. Go out there and join the conversation. And they are listening to him join the conversation. I mean, they are listen everything straight me. I listen every God Almighty thing see me. Greetings, greetings, Blue Mountain Kitchen. Greetings, greetings. Big up yourself. See? So it's like, but then they see me and I tell us, boy, anyway, me just sit down, me just there the back of here see me and they listen and me I think and me I say, no man, this don't look right at all. This thing I look hot. You see? Anyway, then they tell argument done and while they come back to the yard now. Come in the yard now. So me look upon my lady and I say, what really are going? And she say, everything good man. Them attack and I go on like as you say, me wish meaning she seeing kill the girl. See? And as she go off from she a baby until now. So why? You know? So anyway, so me I say, so what them I say about me? I said, no, you're good man, nothing nice about you and blah 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 blah. So me I said, no, she not tell me the truth. Cause when me hear me at the gate, she not come tell me them thing there. Say boy, he might make up him face and talk about a you kill. You know that? Alright. It's like I something from me. But anyway, it's like I kind of easy back and you know, me not to say nothing, I kind of easy back and I listen to her and they are chat. So all the way she a chat is like she a try to encourage me, say them not say nothing bad about me. See? Anyway, grandson now, next grandson now, got two grandsons, I say next grandson now, him come in and I say, Granny, where them what they are talk about, eh? Where them cause you know, and I said, boy, she dead and come now, them a come on and a bag of argument and blah blah talk up this and a talk up that. I mean I hear a kind of argument about boy, what kind of science skill and blah blah blah. So then I listen to them now. You see? So the next one I go out then the conversation, I say, yes, because them a blame this man here. Huh? The people, where man say, them a blame this man here and him, them a blame. Say him kill her because them go a court and she will get $60,000 and him kill her through the $60,000. Imagine that my people, imagine that them say me kill girl because $60,000. So me if you pay a girl $60,000 and me go pay science man more than $60,000 and kill her. If I me just yeah the $60,000 and still have that money in my pocket more than I spend so much money. I rich, me have money. I waste me have money for waste. But me I kill people, stab people, young life, just show quote, and then say them want $60,000. No. So me I say, oh that, and them I say, argument again, me thumper and big man man lick her head and bust sitting in her head and blah blah blah. Me I say, what? Them argument there? So me say, oh, you know, tell me them argument there, boy. She never hear them argument. She never hear them argument there. She never hear them argument. All them that talk about say, boy, a she kill. And I say, so them must say, are you okay? But them not say, your man do nothing at all. No, them never say nothing at all about you, your man. So I wish, wait. My grandson I talk about now. I force my year that I don't know what them I talk about. I don't know about that. And I say, what? That don't sound good to me at all. That sound like something I hide from me. You see my people, that me say that sound like something I hide from me. So anyway, I'm there, I say to myself, say, you hear me? We're not supposed to bet them people that come back and come see me yes, sir. And next, anytime they come back, me not supposed to there, yes, sir. Me supposed to cut whether them want come back tonight, tomorrow. But you see, once them gone, you know, me not supposed to bet them come back, come to work. See me, me know what is them plan, whether them a plan to come back tonight, tomorrow, or them a plan not to come back none at all. Me know business. All upon my thing, all upon my thing is to just know, so boy, you hear me? Movements, the people. Movements. See? That's the people. So I'm going to Bram now and decide say, oh, Me not you know. So I should go in there and say, hey, I draw for my knapsack and I show two pieces of something like and my little accessory them. Cause I don't know if I do my little thing. See? So I draw for my accessory and I show draw for all of my accessory and show my bag and say, hey, me I cut the roll cause anything, I prefer me they out there more than they are some right now because if them to come and come hurt me, then I say we could have leave. They prefer them come and them come see me. Ah, them not come none at all. I'm not there. I prefer not say I'm not there. See? So my people will cut. My woman now I look for me when me are cut and tell me say I'm blank looking at my face and tell me say I'm a coward. And look at me and say, imagine, imagine this thing is all about life and death at this present moment right now. This is about life and death. And it is all about my life at stake. So why would you come now and tell me say me a coward? So you want me if you do know, me not come from your community, me the understand. And you want me to stand up and show me a braveness and say me to fight people, I don't know where them gonna come with. No, I prefer leave. And you didn't know you can make me know what go on. What happened, what go on. Where people are say, what say talk on the ground. You see what things on your ear. See? But it seems like you are hiding things from me. You don't want to tell me them things there. And you can look for me and tell me, say, me a coward. Anyway, now cut. Me keep in touch with them. Me keep in touch with them. So, my people, all these are God you never know. Me cut. Me cut. Me not go back on there yet. And I hear argument say, but if you come back and I kind of chat and them not doing nothing and blah blah blah. Me say, eh? Well, me not depend that. Yeah, me depend that. Them say them a do a tapsy. So when a tapsy do, you can't know what go on. People trust me. It know nice. If you know say you don't do something and people turn on and accuse you and I say you do things and in a run of it is like them want to put your life at stake for things we not do. Not because you're the person. We don't know things here in the ghetto. Because you're the person can have a conviction and things happen that weeks after, just like Abdushi dead, people accuse and say, are you cause it? See? Probably if I say gunshot, and I say, boy, I may do it too. See? If I want to come and show acid pan, ah, I want to say I may do it too. If I want to come and understand me, so it's like due to all the conclusion between me and the conclusion between me and I, it's like anything at all will happen. And me, them are gonna turn and blame. And otherwise some blame, them are thinking and way say, them not hurt me. So people, comments, comment my people. We now have a whole of viewers. I just currently right now, those 7 viewers we have right now. Big up to all of you, the 7 viewers. Comment and make me know this part you now watch from and so forth. Yeah. And you don't know, it's all about Jamaica land 1965 people. You can subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed as yet. Yeah. And help the channel to grow my people. Yeah man. So as me I say comment my people and make me know which part you watch from. Seeing? Yeah. Yeah man. And right now over there my people. And my next video, me I plan now for his child. His child coat, you know, so boy, yeah. Hit the road. somewhere in the parishes of Jamaica. You see? And bring some nice content video to you, my people. See? Yeah. And respect and big up to all of you, my people, that have subscribed to my channel so far. Thank you very much. And God bless you all. I don't take it for granted, my people. But you know, I praise you, my people, and I thank you very much. And for the people them who that have not subscribed yet, please, I'm just asking you, please and gently, please, please, subscribe for me, please. And help the channel grow. Help the channel grow. Jamaica Land 1965. Help it grow, my people. Yeah. So, as we say, right now, the place Claude, yeah, Claude, over, over, we call now, Claude, over, be a rain and fall, pan a pass, we call for the pass, hour, suppose so, nearly hour now, yeah, pay rain and fall with people, so, before rain start, before we even start the block, before we start the light there. So, I say my people, I love you know, my people, trust me, I love you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I just want the assistant of you, my people. You, my people. I just want the assistant of you, my people. To keep going. Keep going, my people. See? Omar Radcliffe. Big up yourself, you know, Mr. Radcliffe. Yeah, man. God go with you and bless and guide and protect you every time. You see? Yeah, man. Always in Miami right now. Always the weather. What going on? My gosh. But you know what going on, my brother. My brother. You see? Yeah, man. Greetings every time to you, my friend. Every time, man. But we know what go on in a year part there. You see? Yeah. Others people can just make you know where you really, you know, viewing this live from. Where which country you are in, or which parish you are in. Yeah, my people, see man. So I would say a blessing, you know, every time, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Every time a blessing. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, man, we see a look of news when I say, boy, again, you hear the thunder rolling people again. Some violation going on in a school. Some school in a St. Catherine. I don't remember the school name, but some school in a St. Catherine say some violation going with a kid with a rasta in the school. My God. You know, see the reason why if you have them violation they are going for a kid a rasta for them philosophy they want to come to school as a rasta. Nothing wrong with that. You see, because the government, me say something. That's one thing to it about that. The government knows we have thousands of people in this country who are Rastafari. See? Thousands of people who are Rastafari. And them grow them kids in the same system, Rastafarian. So please, build up school for Rastafari if they you know want them accepting in the local territory. See? Yeah, build up Rastafari in school and be a Rasta for them. Simple like that. You see? You copy that just like that, the people. Yeah, man. Yes. And why my Jamaican people, me appeal to you, please, me appeal to you, me beg you, please. No drive careful upon the road now. Drive careful upon the road. It's very sad for you say every time I get the news. Oh my God, how much people crash and die and dead and what happened upon the road and so forth. I'm a driver upon the road too, you know. So the news and the news I want. I don't want to hear them kind of news because the news come like that get me timid. You know? If you know say boy, yeah, you drive up on the road and every time you get news that there's a car crash there, so pretty much people dead, people run over blah 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 and this and that and that and that. People may beg you know. People may beg you know. People may beg you know. May I beg you know. May I beg you know. Drive careful upon the road now. Drive careful upon the road now. Take on your time now and drive careful upon the road now. May I beg you know. May I beg you know. Take on your time and drive careful upon the road, my people. So you hear me say my Jamaican people, may I appeal to all my Jamaican people, most of all, most of all, because it's like me not get no real news still about no others country but them road accident but like oh in my local island Jamaica. My people, too much people are dead a year time in accident. So we can do better. Zine, yeah man, can we do better? You copy me I say, yeah man, for real. Courage drive with responsibility. Yeah, as a driver, drive with responsibility. Look out for the people them where they really have nothing I do. Some people just come and road to give them life. Save you be the one to save them life. Yeah, yeah man. Just like that. You copy my people? Yeah man, for real. Mm. As I say, blessing, 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 blessing every time, blessing every time, blessing every time, blessing every time to you, my people. Yeah man, big up on yourself and remember my people. Yeah man. We just keep the channel going to success. Yeah man. You don't know. Me always ask Father God bet you, my people, my subscribers, my viewers. If you always have no food basket full, see, yeah man, that it not run out, but you know be successful in our life. You see, yeah man. And respect and big up to you. Yeah man. Just subscribe to my channel, my people. Subscribe, 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 my people. Help it go, help it go. If you're not subscribers yet, just help it go, my people. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah. Well, a lot of sporting activity are come up. Boy. Who love Olympic? My God. The Olympic have come up, my people. January. You don't know? Team Jamaica. All right. Big up yourself. Janet Monday. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you very much. Right thing we do. I know that right thing we do, mom. Right thing we do, you know? Because when I lady I look for me and tell me, say nobody can do me nothing. You kind of, no? Because growing up, growing up as a, growing up as a youth in the ghetto, in a rescue stuff, my people. A lot of people may say, come in a community with woman. See, come in a woman community, come live, build up them thing and live and there. And woman I tell them, say, boy, nobody can do them nothing and blah, and man, build and set flat farm and bam and rise up things and things get big. And in a couple of years' time, in 3, 4 years' time, dead, them kill him. So when I see a thing like this now happen, and the man don't start, shall I say, me no feel, I'm a coward. Wow, my gosh, that was very shocking. My people, my people, my people, my people, my people. Yes, Miss Janet, yeah man, for real, me know Miss Janet. And the right thing me do. Yeah man. And where you watching from? Which parish you from in Jamaica? Or which country are you outside of Jamaica? Miss Janet. Yeah man, respect and love to you every time. I mean God bless you, my lady, up and running every time, my lady. Thumbs up to you. You see the right thing we do. You copy? Cha cha. Yeah. As me say my people. Yeah man, I'm there upon it. From long time I never do the live my people because you know my people is like oh big up yourself, Miss Right. Yeah. Oh Yes, some people there, man, there. Now let's go and let me know which part you now watch the video from and so forth. Can say what Miss Janet said. Say, did you not let the girl and her brother that the lady tell you to lock the door? Okay. Basically, yes. 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 Basically, yes. You tell them, say, the lady said she want to sleep, she tired, and she make very nice eyes, so she said to lock the door. And we never lock it in her baby, in her baby face. Because as the little girl go out to go round to her mother house, we lock the door same time. So when she come back, the door lock. You see me? So we tell her that. You see me, the lady? Yeah man, yeah man. We tell her that, my lady. Yeah man. Yes, for people. Yeah, man. It just I saw that just them thing there, you know. But I just you to say you don't know, you can't really you have to have it on your body, because in them circumstances you have to just keep you have to just move. Get away, because you don't know what people have done the man, you don't know what people are planning, you don't know what is the whole thing on the ground, you don't know. Because you're there in the darkness, so you don't know. See me? Yeah man. Yeah man, my people, man, I tell you. Yeah. Yeah man. Can share the video, can share the live, you know, my people. Share the live for man. Yeah. Jaja know, man, I tell you. That was that, you know. Mm. Yeah, people. Why they are no our martial talks now still. I know I get in look I get kinda hungry. Yeah man. So it's like share some food, eat and come and get some food and you know, and belly with people. So we can say respect and big up to all of you my people, you know. Yeah man, respect and big up to all of you my people. See? I'll come back around again. Our next live. See, as when I say the last time we do a live, you know, my people, up on my next channel, you know, Dark Get Black. See? Yeah. So, the people remember that channel. All of you will subscribe to it, like, can resubscribe over again. See? Yeah, man. Can resubscribe over to this blog. Yeah, Jamaica Land 1965. Yeah, man. I don't know, myself, as I say, my people, why love you know, love all of you know, and God bless you all. And we wish all prosperity, long longevity, good health to you all, my viewers And to you, all my subscribers that subscribe to my channel, love you, my people. And may God always guide and protect and help you, that you can always do good to people that need it and deserve it. So bless up to you, my people. As I say, I'll be out for this burden moment. Yes, my people, I'll be out. Trust me. When I get some food to eat. Sorry about the people who just come on and really know say boy, me not really out you know. But big up on yourself, my people. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. You don't know, and next live again, we all welcome each and everyone. Everybody, we all welcome. You know. See? Yeah. So God bless you, my people. God bless you. Yeah, my people. Big up on yourself, go there upon the life, see, okay. But I get a local menu, you know. I feed up, my people. I feed up, you know. Goodbye, my people. Goodbye. Bye, bye, bye.